So I make this video to give thanks to everyone who have helped me to find my documents, especially to the person who make this video and his team and his friend, and also to the driver and taxi association who have helped me a lot in finding my document through passenger ways. Haduk kituki driver and taxi association. Thank you to the news channel also, they have helped me a lot in giving the news. And yaki news channel Khublei iaphi wadai raphi yo haga news ya ni khubor Khublei shibun. Khublei le ya ke police team le they encourage ko inga watchna gani video. Thank you police team for encouraging me to make a video on it. Also I give thanks to the institution where I work, the workplace, all my colleagues, they have helped me from the head of the institution till everyone in the institution, they have helped me. And also I want to thanks to the public. The public have helped me a lot in sharing this video, that finally I found my document, and also to my family, to my friends, to my dear ones. Khublei iaphi wa ro ki ki pajba wa yarap share kani video ya ki perlok yo nga ya ki bahayung hasem yo nga ya ki lok ki joranga. आप सबका धन्यवाद, आप लोग ने ये शेयर किया है ये वीडियो को और हमको बहुत मदद किया ये डॉक्यूमेंट मिलने के लिए. अभी फाइनली हमको मिल गया है. पब्लिक लोग को सब मेरा तरफ से आपको धन्यवाद. एंड अपने दोस्त लोग, फ्रेंड लोग, डियर वन को, और ख़ास करके जो ये वीडियो बनाया उसका टीम, उसका दोस्त लोग, सबको हम थैंक्स करना चाहता है. आप लंबा यों भी दे यो अगानी इन डॉक्यूमेंट होगा. थैंक यू सो मच Khublei shibun, शुक्रिया.